Have you ever felt like traditional banking was holding your global business or freelancing career back? We're talking about those slow, expensive cross-border payments, the ones with hidden fees and complicated processes that turn a simple international transaction into a major headache. If you've ever dealt with paying an overseas supplier or getting paid by a remote client, you know exactly what I mean. In today's global economy, where your business partners and clients could be anywhere in the world, you need a financial solution that's as fast and agile as you are. That's where Paysend steps in. Paysend is revolutionizing how small to medium-sized enterprises, and especially freelancers, handle international payments. They offer a unified platform designed to simplify, speed up, and lower the cost of doing business across borders. Let's break down the two main ways Paysend empowers your global work: cross-border trade and freelancing. For cross-border trade, Paysend cuts through the complexity of conventional banking. Businesses can open a multi-currency account to receive, hold, and exchange money in over 30 currencies. This means you can invoice clients in their local currency and manage your funds without worrying about poor exchange rates or those frustrating delays. Need to pay suppliers quickly? Paysend supports lightning-fast payments using various local payment options like SEPA and ACH, bypassing the slow, expensive traditional SWIFT methods. The best part? They're transparent. Competitive fees mean you keep more of your hard-earned money. Now, let's talk about the lifeblood of the modern digital economy, the freelancer. Whether you're a designer in Manila or a developer in London, getting paid globally should be simple. Paysend makes it truly seamless. Instead of waiting days for a bank transfer, Paysend offers instant card transfers. Yes, instant. You can send funds directly to your contractor or client's Visa or MasterCard globally. This is a game changer. No more complex IBANs or routing numbers, just a name and a card number, and the funds can be in their account in moments. This isn't just fast, it's a powerful tool for building trust and reliability with your global workforce. Plus, as a freelancer, managing multiple currencies is a breeze with their multi-currency accounts. You can easily receive payments from anywhere in the world in the currency you need, all from one centralized, easy-to-use platform. In a world that demands speed and transparency, Paysend is delivering the financial infrastructure that global trade and the freelance economy deserve. They're taking the friction out of cross-border payments, allowing you to focus less on banking logistics and more on growing your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.